Hi, it's Sasha. Before I get into the main video, I just wanted to let you know that the next Boxy Popup has been announced. Early access will open February 10th for Luxe and Premium subscribers and people on the waitlist. All access will open the next day, which is February 11th. If you want full spoilers on this new Boxy Popup, I recommend checking mysubscriptionaddiction.com. I'll post that link in the description box below. But basically it's going to be the same as the one last year where they have makeup, skincare, tools, hair care, and lifestyle items. You'll be able to expect the usual high-end BoxyCharm brands. For example, there are products from Becca, Benefit, and MAC for makeup, and others from Kate Somerville, Murad, and Glam Glow for skincare. There are also several big-ticket items this year like a skincare beauty fridge, Beats by Dr. Dre headphones, as well as a variety of hair tools like a curling wand, blow dryer, straightening iron, and more. The things I'm most looking forward to are a Juice Beauty Foundation. This one is normally $45 and they haven't announced what the sale price will be yet, but I bet these are going to go fast, so I recommend checking your foundation shade ahead of time if it's something you're interested in. I'm also really excited about a KAJA Heart Melter Lip Gloss Stick in Wink Wink. I actually just bought one of these in the shade Crush Hard. This is really cute because on the end it has sort of a heart-shaped applicator. This one is more of a mauve shade, but Wink Wink, which they're having in the pop-up, is more of a bubblegum candy pink. Last but not least is the thing I'm probably most excited about. It is a Luxie 30-piece brush set in rose gold. This normally retails for around $400 and I really wanted to get one for a while, but I've been trying to wait for a sale. So I hope this helps. Please leave a comment and let me know if there's anything you're excited to pick up in this month's Boxy Popup. Stay tuned because next up is a reveal of what I got in the last Boxy Popup.
Hello, it's Sasha. Today I'm going to be showing you what I bought at the BoxyCharm pop-up sale. BoxyCharm is a monthly beauty subscription box. I have a video talking about it that I'll link in the description below. One of the benefits of being a BoxyCharm member is that you get to participate in their pop-up sales. They'll offer a bunch of products up to 80% off in categories like beauty, body care, hair care, and lifestyle. In the November 2019 pop-up, the items ship separately from your BoxyCharm subscription, and they had free shipping in the US. First, I wanted to mention that everything I bought at this pop-up sale was a full-size item. BoxyCharm focuses on full-size items, not trial sizes, so this was to be expected. So the first item I got was this Korres H2 Rose Hydrating Face Mist. So this is a product that's designed to sort of hydrate your face and help set your makeup. I actually love this product. I've used it before, but it's pretty expensive. So I was pretty excited to see it on sale at the pop-up. Normally this retails for $34, which is pretty expensive, but at the pop-up sale it was only $14. So I actually have one open already. I'm just gonna spray it and show you. So basically it's just a really nice kind of natural rose setting spray. I really like the brand Korres because of their natural ingredients, but because they're so expensive, I keep a watch for things like these sales so I can get them at a more affordable price. So the next item is also from Korres. This is the Wild Rose Vitamin C Active Brightening Oil. This is basically just kind of a facial oil and treatment that's made with wild rose and vitamin C. So I'll just put a little bit on my hand. This is just a really nice facial oil made with a really stable form of vitamin C. It's designed to help kind of brighten and even out your skin tone. I have some redness and uneven skin tone, and so I really like vitamin C products to kind of help even everything out. This 1 ounce bottle usually costs $54, which is way too expensive for me, so I was really excited that I'm able to try it for their pop-up price of $14. I also wanted to point out that there are actual rose petals in this. You can see them in the bottom of the oil. I think it's pretty cool. Next, I have another Korres item. This is the Vanilla Guava Body Butter. This is basically a body lotion. It's an 8 ounce bottle, so it's quite large. I've never actually tried this one before. Looks like it's kind of a nice creamy lotion. It definitely smells like vanilla. I can't smell the guava as much, but there is kind of a hint of that fruitiness, but I mostly smell vanilla. This is absorbing really quickly and it feels really nice on my hands. I probably wouldn't pay $31 for this even though it's a large tube. It's just way too much for a body butter, but it was $7 at the pop-up, and so I thought that was a pretty good deal. If you're enjoying this video, I really appreciate it if you gave it a like or considered subscribing. I post new beauty videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 10 a.m. Central, and I'd love to see you there. Also, if you hit the notification bell, you'll be the first notified every time I post a new video. Next, I have the Playa Soft Volume Powder. This might look like a small bottle, but it's actually the normal size. It retails for $24, but on the pop-up sale, it was only $6. This is basically a dry shampoo. It's meant to kind of help absorb oil and give you some body. It's kind of a light powdery clay color. I think you're just kind of supposed to sprinkle it on your roots and pat it in. It seems like it has sort of a nice shaker top. It doesn't look like it closes, which is a little bit weird, but I'll probably use it up fast enough that it won't matter. I was really excited to try this because I saw it at Sephora, but it was just way too expensive. I don't do well with aerosols because they make my head itchy. So when you use dry shampoo, it's almost exclusively powders like this. Next we have the Living Proof Style Lab TBD Multitasking Styler. This is kind of a multi-purpose styling product that you can use like when your hair is wet before you style it, or if you want to restyle it on the second or third day. I've used some products from this brand before and they've worked really well, so I was excited to see this in the pop-up sale. This is the large size that normally costs about $26, and this was only $7 on the pop-up sale. So you can get a sense of what it is. It's kind of like a creamy lotion product. It has kind of a nice sort of hairstyling scent to it. It doesn't feel like it's overly masculine or feminine, but it just kind of smells nice. I'm kind of lazy about using products when I style my hair, so I'm excited to try this and see if it makes a difference. Next we have the Living Proof Style Lab Texture Mist. This is a spray that you sort of use to give your hair extra volume. I really like how it's not in an aerosol container. I think this particular product is discontinued. It used to cost about $26 and I got it for $7. So I'm just going to try it out really quickly to see if it makes a difference. It says you can use it on wet or dry hair. It has a really similar smell to that TBD Multitasking Styler. It's kind of that salon smell, not particularly masculine or feminine, just kind of a nice hair smell. Well, I feel like my hair is definitely zhuzhed up. I'm not sure if it's because I messed with it or because of the product. Now that it's settling a bit, I feel like it did give it a bit more body. If I had bought all of these products at original retail price, it would have cost $195. It only cost me about $52, which is a savings of almost 75%. However, as I mentioned, I probably wouldn't have bought these at full price, but I did feel like they were a good deal at the Boxy Popup price. As far as the customer service experience went, BoxyCharm experienced an overwhelming response to the pop-up. This meant that there were some technical hiccups getting everyone into the store. However, they worked really hard to resolve them, and most people were able to get in within the next day or two. Everything shipped out about a couple weeks after I ordered. Unfortunately, USPS lost my package, but I wanted to send out a special thanks to everyone at BoxyCharm because their customer service team was great about the whole thing. They completely replaced everything in my package and had it all sent out right away at no additional cost to me. I hope you found this video helpful. I'd love to know if you've ever participated in a flash sale, and if so, what your experience has been. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.